which is the mean and variance of 20 observations. We have over here 20 observations are found to be 10 and 4, the previous means, and on rechecking it was found that an observation 9 was incorrect and the correct observation was 11. So the correct variance is, alright, so 9 was the observation which was incorrect and 11 was the correct one, which was previous mean, which was 10. So putting the formula summation xy upon 20 gives you 10, or summation xy is 200. Then the variance we see summation of xi square upon 20 minus 100 is 4, or summation of xi square is 2080. Evaluating this 100 goes over here and then multiplied by 20. Then we find the new mean, which is 200 minus 9, the wrong observation, plus 11, the correct one, upon 20. It gives us 202 upon 20. This is 10.1. And the new variance is basically the previous variance 2080 minus square of the previous observation, which was wrong, which is 9 square 81 plus 11 square 121 minus the new mean square, which is 10.1 whole square. So evaluating this, we get 106 minus 102.01, and which is 3.99.